All right, good morning, guys. So we're going to be having a biomes project video that I'm going to be sharing with you so that you understand how to do your project. So you're going to have under assignments, it's going to be a PowerPoint that says biomes project. And this biomes project is what you're going to be using in order to be able to complete your biomes information packet. You should have already completed by today questions 1 through 10, and this is going to help you with your biomes project. So this is what the PowerPoint is going to be looking like. And as you can see, it's going to say Biomes Project, and here you're going to put your name. In your assignment, it will create a PowerPoint for you. All you need to do is open it in a new window, and then you'll be able to edit it. And right now, I'll show you how to do that. So on here, these are the requirements for your presentation. So slide 1 is the map of the world showing all areas where your biome is located. Slide 2 and 3 explain the climate characteristics, which is the temperature, the rainfall, any things that have to do with climate, humidity, etc. This is going to be slides 2 and 3. Slides 4, 5, and 6 are examples of animals and plants, the biodiversity that you found in your biome with pictures. So I did give you 3 slides so that you'll be able to submit all of the stuff that you found. You should be finding 10 plants and 10 animals. So this should be more than enough. If you need to add an extra slide, that is fine. These are just minimum requirements. And yes, you do have to have the pictures. If you do not, it will be counted against you as this is part of your project. Slide 7 is the geography. You're going to explain what the landscape is like, what the soil quality is. Can you grow plants there? Can you not grow plants there? What kind of grass grows there? Why is it important that these things are in there to make sure that people are protected, animals are protected, and plants can grow? Slide 8 is any other unique factors of your biome. So anything that you find interesting that you want to add on here. Slide 9 and slide 10, which means that you need to include these pictures, show how the living conditions would be if you were to live in that biome. So if you were to live there, what would your house look like? If you were to live there, what would it be like for it to be raining? What would you wear? What kind of things would be readily available as resources? Because you need to explain how you would survive. What would you be able to eat? How would you find water? What your shelter is going to look like. And again, you're going to be adding all of these pictures. I did give you 3 more slides for that, but again, these are minimum requirements. So if you need more, you can go ahead and have more. And then the last one is going to be that you have to have a works cited, which means this is where you're going to be adding all of the places on the internet that you found all of the information, because we have copyright laws and we want to make sure that we are not using any kind of plagiaristic things. So when you come over here to your classwork, you're going to be seeing where it says biome project instructions. And you're going to be opening this up. And once you open it up, it's going to come into a PowerPoint. Now this PowerPoint, you're not going to be able to, you're going to be able to edit it and make sure that you are writing your name on here and on here, because I need to make sure that this is you and that you are creating your project. You do have to include your first name and your last name. Everybody has access to this presentation. So our first part of this project is going to be, of course, to create the presentation. After that, I will be submitting another recording explaining, once I give you the feedback, on how you will roll out you presenting the PowerPoint to me. So I will be sharing some resources with you as well to make sure that that happens. But you do need to turn in all of your Google Slides by Monday so that I can go ahead and give you feedback, and that way you can start with your presentation recording. If you have any questions, you can call me, you can text me. And I'm also available Monday through Friday from 3 to 4 on my Meets Hangouts for office hours. So if you need anything else, please let me know. Bye, guys.